Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring you can buy additional slots. Check your V-Bucks balance and whether your Battle Pass already grants pages. Once you have funds, open Fortnite's locker, go to Emotes and tap Manage Pages. There will be an Add Page option or an item shop entry to buy. Buy the page and accept the prompt so it unlocks instantly. Doing this first gets you the container for more emotes. Next, you'll populate and organize those new slots for quick access. Once a page exists, you populate it deliberately. Press an emote, then move or assign it to the new page so you can access it in-game. Make sure to group by use. Place your most used taunts and dances in the first slots and situational emotes on another page, because you'll save time in matches. After arranging, set the quick wheel order and duplicate key emotes across pages if you use them in different situations. This organization reduces fumbling and makes switching pages predictable under pressure. Finally, test everything in a lobby or creative island so you can spin the quick wheel and switch pages in real conditions. Make sure the game saves your layout before exiting. You should see the new page icons in your locker. If a page doesn't appear, restart the game and check your platform account purchase history to confirm the transaction. If problems persist, verify you're on the same Epic account and contact Epic support with receipt details. This last check prevents losing pages after relaunches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.